So today we're gonna be doing a full in-depth review and on feet over the upcoming Air Jordan 12 Cherries, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You guys already know, man, it's so greatly appreciated if you guys pull up. You don't have to, but you did. And I want to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. But if you guys are new to the channel, you already seen the visuals that we threw for these Cherry 12s. Go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. You guys see them reimagined ones next to me. I got 3 pair of them joints. And one of them things about to be going on feet. I'm gonna show you guys how to actually, you know what I'm saying, rock them things and show y'all how they hitting on feet, bro. They might be one of the most underrated, most slept on Air Jordan ones of the year. Me, myself, I talk trash about them prematurely, bro. But when I got them in hand, I said, yo, these things are not as bad as I thought. The official images didn't do them any justice. So you guys will see a full review on feed over the Air Jordan 1 reimagines, Royal reimagines, very, very soon, man. But today's topic, today's highlight is the Cherry 12 things, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro, one of my favorite pickups of the year is a little close. If you haven't seen my top 10 pickup video, my top 10 pickups of the collection, not top 10 releases of the year. It's gonna be a totally separate video where I gotta throw a little bit more of the hype stuff in there, see what everybody else, you know what I'm saying, pretty much agreed upon as the top 10 best sneakers. But I dropped my top 10 pickups for 2023 a couple days ago. So go tap into that. You guys will see the Cherry 12s and a little bit of the heat that I picked up this year in 2023, man. So all that being said, man, leave a huge like on this video. Let's go ahead and jump into the review over the Cherry 12. Man, first things first, I had to show you guys the box, man. Check it out, check it out. This is not like your typical Air Jordan 12 box. So I had to grab the other Air Jordan 12 box that I do have, and I don't even know which colorway this is. Black varsity red. Not too sure. I think it's the flu game. Not too sure anyways. But you guys see the differences in the box. This one right here, you only see 2 lines of writing. But on the Cherry things, they say something totally different. And I still ain't make out to what it said. I just noticed it was something different. So on the Air Jordan 12, Cherry said engineered and built to the exact specifications of the championship athletes from around the world. And then for a regular Air Jordan 12, it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever, which you do get on the back of all your Air Jordan 12 tabs, man. And then the official colorway is Air Jordan 12 Retro White, Black, Varsity Red. And I got these things in the size 9. I usually go with my truest size in my Air Jordan 12s. That's just because they do fit a little bit bulkier because it is a bulky sneaker. So I'm much true to size in these things. I recommend you do the same thing. If you gotta go up half size, hey, tomato. And bam, man, there you have these things, bro. Give you guys a nice little 360 look of these Cherry things. And I'm telling y'all, bro, the excitement when I first unboxed these, it was there, bro. You just gotta be there. You gotta watch the video to understand how that excitement was. And I'm telling y'all, when y'all do get a pair in hand, you're gonna be excited and ecstatic as well by adding these to the collection. It's been so long since they last dropped. And it was somebody in the comments the other day saying that they didn't have these since 1997. So that's a long time. I was barely born in 1997. But when I did get hip on the Cherry 12s, ever since then, I said, yo, I need to add a pair in the collection. In 2023, couldn't have been a better time for them to drop these Cherry things. So starting off with the back heels of these joints, man, you do have your 2-3 down below. And of course, going down the sides of the sneakers, you have Jordan, quality inspired by the greatest player ever, followed by the Jumpman on the top of the pull tab. So with the lacing, man, they try to give it the effect of like a titanium, platinum little lace holder or whatever, but it's not. It's like a nice sturdy plastic, but it does have a nice little pop of that metallic vibe going on the lacing system of these Air Jordan 12 Cherries, which is pretty cool. The leather quality is bananas on these joints. I'm talking about from the side to the toe box to even to the inner of the sneaker, man. All that leather, you guys see that white leather, they went crazy on these joints. Super tumble, super nice. And that's what's gonna make these things a little bit durable when you're rocking these for years to come. You guys can see that mud guard right here, man, all nice cherry red. And you have your Jumpman going on the little tab right here in the midsole of the sneaker. Get your carbon fiber plate down there in white and black. And of course you have your 2-3 at the tip of the toe box of these cherry things. And I'd be wrong if I didn't mention the black Jumpman and the 2-3 going down the tongue and the lacing system of these Air Jordan 12. They only came with white laces, no extra laces in these things, but up to me, bruh, I gotta keep the white laces in there, bruh. It's only right for me, and that's what you guys are gonna see when you do get your pair whenever these do drop next week. All in all, great sneaker, man. You guys know recently we've been rating whatever sneaker we've been talking about, and if I had to rate these things 1 through 10, A through F, bro, I'm giving it an A+ and a 10 out of 10 on the execution of these Air Jordan 12 cherries, man. That's how excited I am of them. And when I threw them on feet, bro, I didn't want to take them off. Like, I had like 5 different pants. I said, I'm gonna just slim it down to 3 pants to show you guys how to, you know what I'm saying, how to rock them, how to layer it. Threw some stacked jeans in there, threw a little bit, you know what I'm saying, that regular denim, and of course some cargos that go with these cherry 12s, and everything was just perfect and just popped off these Air Jordan 12 cherries right here. So you guys go ahead and rate these things down below in the comment section, man. 1 through 10. How many pairs you're getting? You guys already know, man, I got to double up on these things. And again, shouts out to Nike for that shock drop dub over these Air Jordan 12 cherries. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. More content on the way. I made you guys a couple more different shorts as well. I got a couple of the debates that I want to throw up on here, a couple little sneaker battles, whatever you want to call it, to see what you guys are rocking with. And just know, you're going to see these Air Jordan 12 cherries going up against another notable Air Jordan 12 colorway. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content. Leave a huge like on your way out. And with all this being said, let's go ahead and get to the rest of this on feed over the Air Jordan 12 cherries, man. Let's get right into it.